The most significant signal for 2026 is that AI is leaving the purely digital realm and physically integrating into our world and workforce. A major Deloitte Tech Trends report highlights that the coming years will be defined by AI goes physical, marking the critical convergence of intelligent software with robotics, and the agentic reality check, where companies must prepare for autonomous AI agents to become core parts of their operations. This isn't about better chatbots, it's about silicon-based colleagues and machines that perceive and act in real environments, a fundamental shift in technological capability and corporate strategy. This physical and agentic future demands a complete overhaul of the data infrastructure supporting it. An analysis of essential 2026 tools confirms that mastery of Python and SQL remains fundamental, but they are now the baseline for building and training the complex models that power these advanced systems. The tools evolving are those designed to handle the massive, often real-time data streams from sensors, robots, and autonomous agents. Therefore, the must-have list for any tech team is rapidly expanding to include specialized platforms for managing unstructured data and orchestrating the feedback loops between the physical and digital worlds. The capital required to build this future is monumental, shifting investment firmly toward deep tech. As illustrated in a Chicago Booth deep dive, venture capital is increasingly focused on advanced technologies that require extensive R&D and long-term horizons, like those underpinning next-gen robotics and agentic systems. The Boeing Horizon X perspective captures this shift, framing it as a time for ambitious, foundational bets rather than incremental software plays. This signals that the next wave of AI breakthroughs will be capital-intensive, hardware-adjacent, and built by cross-disciplinary teams tackling some of the hardest engineering problems. IBM's concurrent analysis reinforces this trajectory, noting that the trends shaping 2026 revolve around enabling self-service and collaborative innovation at scale. This directly addresses the operational challenge posed by agentic AI. If you have a silicon-based workforce, you need robust platforms to manage, debug, and empower it. The focus is on building the organizational and technical frameworks and knowledge-sharing environments and self-service tools that allow humans and advanced AI systems to co-develop and solve product issues dynamically. The competitive edge will belong to companies that can not only deploy agents, but also seamlessly integrate them into their corporate nervous system. The model race is now a multi-front war beyond raw parameter counts. The competitive landscape is shifting towards specialized advancements in physical world understanding for robotics, reliable and controllable, agentic frameworks for enterprise automation, and the scalable data infrastructure to make it all work. Companies leading in these applied domains will define the next era, moving the goalposts from benchmark performance to real-world integration and autonomous task completion. Daily AI signals, no hype, just clarity.